Hey gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. You gorgeous, you're welcome. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today is a hair review. Yes, this hair is from Sogoodhair. This is Bemi 200%, 18 inches. Is natural wave HD lace frontal virgin hair. The hair color is natural black and the hair type is 100% virgin human hair. The hair texture is natural wave and the lace material is HD lace, Swiss lace, and the lace is transparent. You can see this. I did not dye the lace in front, and you can see it looks so natural. 6 deep printing glueless lace front cap. Is hairline of the wig is pre-plucked hairlines, bleached knuckles. Yes, it came already bleached. The knuckles was already bleached when it came, which is very good. I did not even bleach that because bleaching hair is very difficult for me. So I was so happy when I saw that the knots were already bleached. It has an elastic band, and you can see from the side, if you want to put a pattern, you can put a pattern. You can see all over, you can put a pattern in the lace. You can see this. You see this, guys? You can, if you want to add a pattern to it, you can. If you want to bleach the hair, you can bleach it as well. You can see, you can pattern even if you want it center part. Anyhow you want to pattern this hair, you can. And one thing I like, the knots, they were already bleached. You think it's my real hair. You see, it is not even showing as if it's a laced wig. It's a wig. It's just like my natural hair. So that is it. I'm going to leave all the information about the hair on the description box, the direct link to this one and some other wigs they have on their website. In case you're interested, you can check that out. By the way, this video is sponsored by Sogoodhair. Thank you Sogoodhair for sponsoring this video, and please don't forget, I'm going to leave all the information about the hair on the description box. If you want to see how I install this wig, yes, everything about the wig, keep on watching. And please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and click on that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Keep on watching. Make sure you watch to the end and see how I slay this hair.
over. I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I'll be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, you know what's up? Your favorite lover, just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up? When you leave me like that, your favorite lover, do me like that. Ooh, just hit me up. When I think about that, I'm coming over. I'll be coming right back on. You know what's up? Know what's up? Know what's up? Your favorite lover, do me like that. No, just hit me up. Oh.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself.
Spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation.